Campground socializing, building connections and creating memories. One of the most delightful aspects of RV camping is the sense of community that often thrives within campgrounds. From cozy family-run sites to sprawling RV parks, these outdoor havens bring together like-minded individuals who share a love for adventure, nature, and the open road. Within these campgrounds, families have the opportunity to socialize with fellow campers, participate in campground events or activities, and forge meaningful connections while sharing experiences and stories. In this article, we'll explore the joys of campground socializing and how it can enhance your RV camping experience. 1. Embracing the campground spirit. RV campgrounds are vibrant communities that foster a unique sense of camaraderie. From the moment you arrive, you'll likely find yourself surrounded by friendly faces, welcoming smiles, and a shared enthusiasm for the camping lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a first-timer, don't hesitate to embrace the campground spirit by striking up conversations and connecting with your neighbors. 2. Participating in campground events and activities. Many RV campgrounds organize events and activities designed to bring campers together. These may include potluck dinners, movie nights, game tournaments, live entertainment, or educational workshops. Participating in these activities not only provides entertainment and enjoyment but also offers opportunities to meet fellow campers and create lasting memories. 3. Sharing knowledge and experiences. Campgrounds are filled with a wealth of knowledge and experience, and fellow campers can be an invaluable source of information. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations and ask for advice or recommendations. Whether you're seeking the best hiking trails in the area, tips for RV maintenance, or recommendations for local attractions, your campground neighbors are likely eager to share their insights and experiences. 4. Creating a welcoming atmosphere. As you settle into your campsite, take the time to create a welcoming atmosphere that invites social interaction. Arrange your outdoor space with chairs and a picnic table, and consider adding some decorative touches like string lights or a welcoming sign. These small gestures can encourage your neighbors to stop by and strike up a conversation, creating a warm and friendly atmosphere within the campground. 5. Organizing group activities. If you're feeling particularly sociable, consider organizing group activities within the campground. This could be a friendly game of frisbee or soccer, a group hike, or a communal barbecue. By taking the initiative, you can create opportunities for campers to come together, forge connections, and enjoy shared experiences. 6. Respect boundaries and privacy. While campground socializing can be incredibly rewarding, it's important to respect the boundaries and privacy of your fellow campers. Not everyone may be in the mood for socializing all the time, so be mindful of cues indicating when someone prefers solitude or quiet time. Always ask before entering someone's campsite and be considerate of noise levels during quiet hours. 7. Stay connected after the trip. The connections made during your RV camping adventure don't have to end when you pack up and leave the campground. Exchange contact information with newfound friends, connect on social media, or join online camping communities. These connections can extend beyond your camping trip, allowing you to stay in touch, share future adventures, and even plan meetups at different campgrounds. Campground socializing enriches the RV camping experience in countless ways. It provides opportunities to meet people from different backgrounds, share stories and laughter around the campfire, and create bonds that can last a lifetime. So, embrace the sense of community that campgrounds offer, step outside your comfort zone, and open yourself up to the joys of socializing with fellow campers. You never know what amazing friendships and memories await you on your next RV camping journey. Camping is our happy place.